Yeah, today, welcome again. I'm going to show you how to use Miracle Box to extract firmware from any device, especially INVEVS. So right now I'm going to Windows Defender to put it off. Yeah, as you can see, I'm going there to switch it off. After switching it off, I'll come back to the Miracle Box. Just follow me step by step and you will get it right. Yeah, because sometimes it blocks some of the activities that might go on. Yeah, so now you will select save as scatter file, go to read and then select scatter file, save as scatter file, put your battery, connect the cable with the battery. So now you can see the file. You can add more of the options you want, then you select OK, then you see it's loading. I'm extracting the firmware from the phone that I can keep for backup in case something happens. I can use that file back to flash the phone or to reset it, sometime to use it as Google bypass. So this is INVENS firmware that I'm extracting, and I'll put a link down below. If you need it, then just go ahead and click the link and download it. And when I've speed up the process, I've speed it up because it took a long time. Yeah, so I speed it up. So after you've extracted, before you extract it, it will bring you a folder. You have to select a folder where you save it. After you save it in there, then you don't have a problem. So after you finish extracting it, go to the folder, rename it. When you rename it, then you can know where your file is done. You can see that down there. I've extracted the file.